Step 1. Pelt a cheesecake pudding box with strawberries. Step 2. Step 3. Strawberry cheesecake ice cream that could make it into your top 5 favorites. Here's everything we'll need to make this deliciousness. We'll begin by making the base by adding in whole milk and sugar and whisking it until the sugar has dissolved. Then it's the heavy cream's turn to join in on the fun. The instant cheesecake pudding mix and salt follow. Mix everything until it's just thickened and resembles pudding. Don't take whisks here and overdo it on this step. The whole mixing bowl will go into the fridge while I turn my attention to the strawberries. Take your chopped up strawberries and add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then leave them alone for about an hour and a half. This is done to macerate the strawberries, which pulls the juices out of them. Then we'll cook the strawberries down slow into a thick, gooey, glossy compote. While I did capture all of the process and sped up time, I'm just going to show you several stages of the cooking process. Just be sure to watch them and mix frequently. Burnt strawberries aren't a good look or taste with this ice cream. The strawberries are the labor of love here. It's a big part of what makes this ice cream what it is. So while it does take extra time, it's well worth the effort. If it makes more sense for your flow, the compote can absolutely be made in advance, or you can do it like I'm doing it and make it while your base chills in the fridge. Either way, the strawberry compote needs to cool completely before it meets the ice cream. The compote is cool. It's time to add in all but 2 tablespoons of the compote to the ice cream base. We'll mix it until it's fully incorporated, then all of it goes into your ice cream machine. The ice cream machine and container that I use in this video are linked below. They're affiliate links, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. The turning time is variable on what machine you're using, but for me, when it reads cool, it's completed. We'll take the 2 reserved tablespoons of the strawberry compote and swirl them in. That will give us the pretty ribbons of strawberry and added flavor. Then the container will go into the freezer for a spell to firm up, or you can eat it right away. You'll get no judgment from me either way. No cream cheese, strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Easily a top 5 favorite of any ice cream I've ever made. If this made you drool, like and subscribe, then be honest with me. Would you make this?